thought it wasn't too bad. I thought it wasn't too bad.
Let's go.
But you said it wasn't too bad.
It's not too bad, but here I go.
Come back, George. Come back over here. Come back over here. Come back over here. Good job. So, is it still not that bad? I thought you wanted to go swimming. Is it still not too bad?
I want a bathing suit. Okay.
Do not step on that, Jordan. Thank you.
I got it. I'm done. Go ahead.